Hello, my name is Chris Galaska and I'm a technical consultant for Navinica UK. Today I want to talk about MFT, the Managed File Transfer solution from Ipswich, and how you can exchange files securely between trusted users and third parties or partners. So let's look at how files are usually exchanged within the organization. So typically users will use the email, so the files will be sent to Exchange server, and if they're too big they will be stopped on that server. This introduces problems for the users as they cannot share the files due to restrictions on the email server. And the same problem will exist for the system administrators, who will receive a lot of phone calls about files being blocked on the Exchange server. If the emails with the attachments are smaller, then those emails will then go to the third party on the internet. The problem here is that the emails are not encrypted and information that are being exchanged is disclosed, and potentially it's available for the malicious users. If the users will encounter a lot of problems with exchanging emails, they will turn into cloud services. Today we have a lot of providers available to us, and users will open accounts and try to send emails to those services. The problems in this scenario is that the data is being stored within the online cloud services can be disclosed to various parties, and we don't trust those services. We don't know what is actually happening with that data. That data can be disclosed, stolen, and that data stored within the online service can be then monetized by the attackers. Solution to the insecure file exchange is to use a MFT technology. So Ipswich provides the solution. It's called Ipswich File Transfer, and the files are being stored securely within the solution with strong encryption at rest and encryption during transit. Files are being exchanged through the server, and anybody connecting to the server is using the encrypted connection, and the files are stored locally, so we know where the data resides. So here we are. I want to show you now how we can utilize the MFT to send files securely over the internet. So we need to create an email. We need to compose an email. We'll provide our partner email address and the subject. And if we press send, that email will be sent through the Exchange server. But what we need to do now is we just need to use the MOVEit attach file, provide the file that we need to send, and here we've got fewer security options. So we can secure the body, and that will not send this body over the internet in plain text, and we can also request the delivery receipt. We can also expire the package, and we can limit number of downloads. So if I press send, the solution will send file to MFT server. So here we are. I've received two email notifications. The first one tells me about the new package, and the second notification provides me with my credentials to my account. So if I now try to log in, I can use my link which is provided, and I can just copy and paste my username and password. The first thing I need to do, I need to change my password. That password needs to comply with the password policy. And me as a third-party user, I can now view the file that was shared with me. I should receive two notifications. The first notification tells me that the third-party users logged into the solution. If I now download the file, I should receive a second notification about this action. That's my second notification about the download of that file. From this window we can reply to this message, and we can start conversation between a local user and a third-party user. The users have abilities to attach files and have the security options available as well. This is all configurable. We can change that for the temporary users. So now I can see that the email which was sent to me is now in my inbox within my Outlook. So the same functionality we can achieve from the web interface. So if I log in with my account, I could just simply navigate to packages and send new package, and the same email form is available to us from the web interface. So we can utilize web interface to send and exchange files with the third-party users. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope this demo was useful. If you have any questions or would you like to have an advice about the MFT technology, please contact your reseller or Infinigate directly. Thank you very much for listening, and I will see you in the next demo.